Hi friends, it's Lisa Hetrick, illustrator for Gina K Designs, and I'm so grateful you could join me today. I have a brand new stamp set to share, and it's pretty sweet. Let's dive in and take a look. Okay friends, here is La Dolce Vita. It is a super fun builder stamp set, complete with some lemons and limes and oranges and all of these fun, different, fresh elements, and a really fun vase, some olive branches, some leafery, and this really super, super fun pattern builder that I'm going to share some great samples with. So here is the coordinating die set. So as you can see, there is a coordinating die for mostly everything in the stamp set, with the exception of these two-step stamping pieces. This really, really fun element here, it's a Mediterranean style tile. The whole entire set, the design of the set was inspired by a ceramic tile that I saw that I really, really liked that was based off of this design. So the whole concept for everything in this set was based off of that. It's just super fun. And I also built a coordinating stencil, coloring stencil, and the details that we were able to get in the stencil are just phenomenal. So let's dive in and take a look at the inspiration, and just loving how all the dies are now on the double-sided tape. I end up just putting everything back on the double-sided tape. It's just perfect, especially if you don't have a magnet. Okay, let's dive in and take a look at the inspiration. Let's get started. Okay, super, super fun. Here is an example of all of the builder elements. Loving that the vase is completely wide open so that you can create that whole Mediterranean looking style tile inside of the vase. Complete it with the coloring stencil, and you've got this really fun card. I used In the Navy as my background. Really loving that color for this set as a nice grounding color. Live the sweet life is just a really fun sentiment to kind of bring the card home. A lot of the cards that I've created tonight that I'm sharing are sentiment free. I'm kind of on this sentiment free kick with creating cards so that we can add the sentiment either on the inside or later when I go to use the card. Okay, super fun. Here is another really fun builder with Live the Sweet Life, but I took that element that's a lemon element and turned it into an orange. Now you could easily turn it into a lime or anything else that you'd like to for your card project. So here's some of the leafery, added in some of the stamped elements into the background to kind of just bring this really simple card home. Okay, here we go. I did another. Now I'm obsessed with the lemons in this set. I've given you 4 different versions of them in different varying sizes so that you would be able to nest them together and kind of create a different kind of look and feel, with some things being smaller than others. And I just love the way this turned out. See, that little tiny lemon works really, really well with this tile, with this Mediterranean tile builder. Super, super fun. Used the coloring stencils to color in the lemons and did some straight up stamping, and just pop this on some of that new Kelly green colored background cardstock. Super fun, super easy, sentiment free card that I could easily put the sentiment across the front with the die cutting out the sentiment, or pop it on the inside. Okay, here's what I was talking about with the lemons and creating a lemon and a orange look with it, and just pop little lemons. That little cluster's just super, super cute. It's fresh, it's fun, and it's really, really super easy to color in with the coloring stencil. I think these next 2 cards might be my favorite, and this is what I was talking about with the lemons in this set. These easily could be limes, which I will be sharing some inspiration in my upcoming tutorials, live tutorials, creating lemons, limes, and oranges with these elements. But I created this kind of lemon wreathy-like element. Super fun, fresh, thinking about spring and summer, and just popped it off with Savor the Moment. Just kind of a really fun card. Really fun and easy to add all of those colored elements in the leafery and into the lemons. Okay. I think the next two cards, all of the cards seem to be my favorite, but I really enjoyed some of the technique builders for the next two cards that I'm going to share with you. So here is the vase, and I used the stencil. Let's pop that out so that you can take a peek at that. I used the stencil element, which is kind of fun, how you can get like a 2-for-1 in this. You've got the stamp where you can, for the vase, where you can use your favorite color medium or build a pattern inside of it, like I did with this card, the very first card that I shared. Let's pop that back in, where you can build that pattern inside. Or you can take the stencil and use it as a standalone, because the die that coordinates with the stencil, that coordinates with the stamp, also works with the stencil. And so you can build just a straight up colored vase. And then I added this die on top. Now, this die coordinates with this stamp in the set, but the die has been built, and you know what? I've got to give a big shout out to Brian for this one, because he went the extra mile on this particular die and added more detail on the inside so that when this die cuts, it cuts out all of those pieces. And it's super, super fun, but it also coordinates with the stamp. So I used the die cut pieces and I added a little bit of that detail in tone on tone right here in the vase. And then took it another step further. So here's what I'm talking about with that die. So when you cut that die out, you're able to get the outer part, the inner part, and then all of these pieces right here, and then all of the little dots. And I just kind of nested that onto this card with a tone on tone look, and just put this little cluster of lemons here just to make it, just to kind of bring a little pop of color to that tone on tone. I love the look of the height of it and the texture and dimension without the height. So you get no height, but a lot of texture and dimension. So super, super fun. Okay, as with all of my stamp sets, I have a brand new card idea sheet, and I didn't make every single concept that's here. So here are a couple things I want to draw your attention to. So this is a really fun pattern. How I built this card for you so that you could see the pattern built inside the vase. But look at the vase with the lemons. Now I will be doing a card similar to this in watercolor on this Thursday's tutorial, and I'll talk about that in a minute. But here is that stamp in the set, that tile builder stamp right there, at building a pattern. I'm also going to teach that technique in an upcoming video as well. So super, super fun. So this is the brand new card idea sheet that will be available. It's available on my website at indigojadeart.com. In the freebies section, it's also available in the Gina K Designs Facebook group. You just click on files in the Facebook group and you're going to find it there. I also have a coordinating stencil guide that shows you the stamp, all of the stencil elements. And this is so super fun. So here's the stencil. Got a lot of elements on here for coloring. And then it shows you the combination. So stamp, stencil, and combination for all of the elements in the stamp set, including the vase and the tile builder. So you have two options too for building with that tile builder. So super fun. Okay, friends, let's take another look at La Dolce Vita, the Sweet Life, the stamp set. Let's move that out of the way. The stamp set, the coordinating coloring stencil, which is upside down and backwards here. So let's turn that around. The coordinating coloring stencil. Look at all of these elements and how crisp they are. Look at the detail in that. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Okay, and here is the coordinating die set. Love all of the different elements that you're going to be able to cut out. Just super, super fun. Okay, friends, thanks so much for joining me and letting me share La Dolce Vita with you tonight. The stamp, die, and the coordinating coloring stencil are available now at GinaKDesigns.com in the What's New section. I cannot wait to share more inspiration with you using this set. I will be going live this Thursday at 11:30 Eastern on my YouTube channel, and I'm grateful for you all, and I'll see you next time. Bye now, friends. Thanks so much for watching. Please consider sharing the joy by liking this video and subscribing to this channel. And you can watch more card and watercolor tutorials here. Thanks so much.